I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm
Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do a shopping haul, and it's from Aristos. So this is how it looks, and I bought a whole lot of things. So let's check it out. So the first thing that we have is corrugated paper. Actually, so I don't know what is this. I saw it and it had a texture, so I thought it would be useful for me, so I bought it. So let's open it. We have a whole lot of colors: white, black, red, pink, and if you see it as a texture, it's blanket and it costs 110 rupees. Okay, let's move on to the second. Let's see what we have got next. So it's just colored papers. There's a whole lot of colors, and it costs 55 rupees, and it has 50 sheets. So let's do the next one. It's coming. Foam sheets. So there are, I guess, two colors, black and purple foam sheets. Oh my god, it's difficult. And these are foam sheets with tape. Oh my god, I never knew they came with tape. I just bought it, and it's just 20 rupees. Okay, so per piece is 20 rupees. A single sheet costs 20 rupees, and the colors are purple and black. So let's move on to the next one. Have soft pastels. My soft pastels got dirty, like, so when I shifted my house, my chalk pastels were like shattered everywhere. I don't know which one. So I bought a new one, and it is 190 rupees. So it has this. So all these colors. So let's move on to the next one. Next one is a quilling set. It costs 90 rupees, and it has two quilling paper, two pencils, a quilling needle, a whole pack of earring hooks, rhinestones, googly eyes, and toothpicks, and then just a card, an envelope. Sorry, it's an envelope. And then there are cards, colored cards. That's what is there, and it costs 90 rupees. I don't think it's worth the money, because I don't know why this pencils and this packing is not so good. Everything is in a single packet. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. What's in there? There's a lot of things in there. First, I bought wooden sticks. So I'm gonna do Harry Potter wand out of this. I bought it for that. And then we have spray bottles. I wanted spray bottles, so I bought 2 of them. I don't know where's the other one. Okay, so here are black feathers. I saw a lot of feathers and I was like, okay, I need to buy one. And then my favorite color is black, so I bought black feathers. What's there next? Okay, there's canvas. It is small canvas and one is 24 rupees. It says 4x4 canvas. I bought 3 of them. So let's see what's in there. Okay, it's Fairy Bond. I just bought it. And then glue sticks. This is for a small glue gun. And then alphabet beads. So it costs 40 rupees. And let's see what else. Stockings. I bought colored stockings. And this is leather cord. And then okay, this is book ring. I bought it for my flashcards because my cards are over. I need to make new ones, so I bought these. Per book ring costs 8 rupees. So let's see what's next. We have Fevicol. My Fevicol got over because I bought this one. And then we have water brush. So what you have to do is fill water in here and then you have to use it. And it costs 80 rupees. They are in different sizes. Let's see what's next. Again, alphabet beads. Okay, this is calligraphy pen. I bought 2 of them, 0.1 and 0.2 calligraphy pens. Then what else we have? It's just a metal wire. And then more stockings, eyelets. It costs 15 rupees. I guess this costs 10 rupees per packet. The quality of all the products are pretty good. I wouldn't say they're bad, they're pretty good. So let's move on. Have another packet. Let's see what's in there. It's nylon thread. And then it's ring base. Again, eyelets. Again, ring base. Eyelets. And these are I don't know their names actually. Okay. Then we have again ring base, key shine rings, and dollar hoops. Okay, let's move on to the next pack. Got dotting tool. I haven't had dotting tools, so I bought one. There are 5 in a set. They're really, really, really cute. I love them. Look at that. Wow. So there's the large one and the small, teeny, tiny ones. And the large one and then the small, teeny, tiny ones. They're actually pretty good, so I would recommend to buy them. So let's move on to the next black. Small bag, so let's open it up. What's in here? Okay, so I bought oxidized metals. These, so this one. I guess per piece costs different rates. I love this one. A bird in a cage. And then this one. And the beads. And this one. And pendants. Leaf, rose. And then a lot of them. So let's move on to the next one. A3 clear sheets. It's clear sheet. Per piece costs 20 rupees. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.